Hi, I'm Phaedra Kress, Executive Editor of the Aesthetic Surgery Journal, and I'm so happy to be joined by the President of the Canadian Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, Dr. Nick Carr. Hi, Dr. Carr, how are you?
Hi, Phaedra. Thanks so much for having me on the live theater.
You are very, very welcome. So we're here in Montreal at the Aesthetic Meeting 2015, and CSAPS is one of the affiliate partners of the Aesthetic Surgery Journal. So tell us how, during your presidency, we can partner together to build on our relationship and create more success and value for both organizations.
Yeah, that's a great question. So ASAPS and CSAPS are really, they're sister organizations, and there's lots of initiatives we're working on that are going to increase the relationship we have with each other, and the ASJ CSAPS relationship is part of that. So there's some great examples. Like, we've got people on your board now, on the editorial board. Frank Lista's working closely and is encouraging us a lot to have journals, articles submitted to the journal. We've got one of our docs, Wayne Carman, is the liaison between the societies, and so that's really encouraging our members to submit their articles. There's so much going on at this meeting that involves Canadian and American plastic surgeons working together. I don't know if you know, but the scientific program organizer is Rick Warren. We've got Jamil Ahmad, who's one of our members, who's just started in that track. So he'll eventually be the scientific program coordinator for the meeting. So there's a really close working relationship.
And so your annual meeting is coming up here in Montreal again in September, is that right?
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And so we're very excited about having everybody come back to Montreal. It's going to be same city, same wonderful place, September 18th and 19th, with a pre-meeting symposium on the 17th. So we really hope a lot of the ASAPS members come and join us for that. And I'd like to thank you, and I'd like to thank ASAPS for one of the things you've done for us in Cooperative Spirit is to advertise our meeting and to advertise CSAPS with a complimentary spot in the ASJ, which has been wonderful.
So Dr. Carr, I'm sure that you know earlier in the year we launched the EBM Hub, which is co-led by Dr. Monty Eves and Achilles Toma. How does that facet of ASJ work within the two organizations, and how can we partner in that regard in terms of evidence-based medicine?
I'm glad you asked me that, Phaedra. That's a really exciting initiative, because Dr. Achilles Toma he's like a Canadian icon when it comes to evidence-based medicine, and the fact that Monty Eves, who actually Monty sits on our CSAPS board, so he's got a very close working relationship with our organization. So Monty figured out that Achilles is a resource that really should be shared between the two organizations, and together they have a passion for bringing evidence-based medicine to ASJ and to our membership. So that's a very cool initiative that we're very excited about.